Got a filming day ahead of me and I need to hop on a call with my manager, so get ready with me. I'm starting off with a blank face. I just got out the shower and I applied my skincare and my moisturizer, so now let's go into the makeup. Now this is gonna be a chit chat get ready with me because I feel like I haven't sat down and talked to you guys in a long time, so I just want to give y'all like a little update of what's going on in my life lately, how things have been, all that stuff. A good check-in. Oh, I'm moving this and all that stuff. Get it together. So I don't want to do anything heavy, y'all. One of my biggest insecurities is my eyebrows, and I just feel like I do not look complete without a good brow, and my dark spots have started resurfacing. It was 1 week where we was just eating so bad because we didn't feel like cooking, probably 2 weeks, and my skin just started seeing all of that. So this is the aftermath. Not too bad, but it takes forever for my dark spots to go away. I can't stand that. Let me show you what I use and whatnot, and yeah, we're just talking and catching up. You know, it's been a while since I see y'all. First of all, how are y'all doing? Are y'all doing good? I'm glad to hear it. If you're not doing good, you know, it's okay. We all have rough seasons, but let me tell you this, we can't see the rainbow until we get through the rain, through the storm. So if you through a storm right now, baby, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. I'm sending you love. Oh my god, so many things have changed since. What is going on? I'm going in with the milk primer, but she's acting like she don't want to come out. Oh, come on, I just need a little bit. But yes, y'all, life has been good. Life has been going great lately, and I'm very thankful for that. Y'all know I just celebrated my birthday. Well, hold on, back that up. So for the longest time, I was looking for a new management team, and I was not having any luck. I was not hearing anything back. But I eventually heard something back from my current agency, which is Hermana Agency, and oh my gosh, everything has been so amazing since. They are so nice, so friendly, so responsive. Their communication is top tier. And I'm not going to talk bad about my previous agency, but that was one of the things that I was lacking, was communication. And I've done plenty of research on them, which is something that I failed to do the first go round, being that this is my second time. I'm not even doing my makeup. So I want to do something like, so I'm just going in with my concealer, and I'll link everything I use below. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie, and I'll put everything I list right here so y'all can see what it looks like. But I'm just going in with this and tapping on those dark spots lightly. I'm doing something like, y'all, nothing heavy, because I just want to start embracing my natural skin. But back on topic. Oh my gosh, my manager Megan is the sweetest. Everyone is so sweet. Everyone. Kaylee, McCall, Addie, everybody is just so sweet. We hop on calls weekly, so I'm getting ready to hop on that call here shortly with her, just to check in, touch base, see how we're going with like brand deals and stuff. And when I tell you, the communication is so refreshing. It is so refreshing, y'all. I'm just thankful that God allowed me to find them, because I applied to them and I was like, ooh, I really hope I hear back from this one, because how they have their Instagram presented and just everything, it just feels so like welcoming and cozy, and you can tell that they put a lot of work into what they do, and I just really appreciate that. You see how that blurred out those dark spots? Dark spots where? Hello? It looks extremely light, which is crazy, but it actually blends into my undertone very nicely. And I still kind of want to do like a light look, so I'm gonna put some of this on my T-zone here. Oh yeah, we're gonna do that. It's gonna be a light look. And a little bit right here. I'm just excited. God has just been answering a lot of prayers for me and us and him, and it's just been great. Boo Bear has his own business that I help out with too, and that's been going good. Sometimes the life of entrepreneurship can be very what is it? Speaking, that's a reminder with Megan. It can be slow a lot of the time being an entrepreneur, but don't let that get you down, because when the fast times are there, they are there. The busy times, and I don't mind being busy, but even during the slow periods, we definitely stay productive. And batch content, I'm actually doing some batch content today, so that helps for me not having to sit down every single time. I probably should have put something under this actually. Ooh, I hope that blends out good. Going around those areas, I'm using Thread Face It Complexion Stick. This matches my skin tone a little bit more, so I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm trying not to use foundation too much either, because I don't always want to have a full face of makeup, y'all. I don't. But this blends out pretty nicely. It's a concealer. Okay, that looks nice. It doesn't look like too much, right? But we have definitely been each other's support system. Man, he has been a huge support system. He helps me with my photos, my videos, my street photography, all of that stuff. And when I say videos, I mean the videos out in the city. Everything in the house I do myself, but he has been a huge... If I don't stop shaking these mirrors. Oh, and for concealer, I'm going in with Thread Cover It Multi-Use Complexion Fluid. Ooh. But he has been a huge help in like helping me transform my page to how I want it to be. I feel like I have grown out of my older days where, you know, I kind of dress like a tomboy, kind of. I mean, that's still there. She ain't going nowhere, because I like a good tomboy day, you know what I'm saying? I might have used too much here. It's all right. We're gonna... Ooh, that is a lot, y'all. Oh, it's all right. Because we can blend it out. We can blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. This is a good contour for me. But he has really helped me transform my content into the direction that I want it to go. And for his business, I've definitely been there to support as much as I can, help out as much as I can with his content as well. So he's, you know, more of a behind the scenes guy. We are helping each other with each other's businesses. I'm doing some of the appearances on camera too with his business. So yes, we are hand in hand here, helping each other out, helping each other reach our dreams. And that's just something that I always imagined with my partner, so that's big. To be able to go for our dreams together and grow together, it's insane. And I'm thankful. He is my best friend. We had so much fun together. I'm just forever grateful for him. Forever. And this is my Morphe setting powder in translucent rich, and I'm just applying that to the areas I added concealer. And he shot my birthday photos. It's so many people that have been telling me happy birthday. Y'all have went overboard with the happy birthdays. And not overboard in a bad way, but I am just floored with love. Thank y'all so much for all of the birthday wishes that y'all gave. August 19th in the building, okay? Y'all have given so much love and support on that day. I literally had tears in my eyes with how many people reached out. Calls, texts, DMs, comments, likes, shares, whatever you did. Thank you. Y'all made me feel so special on my birthday. And I was just overcome with joy and love. So thank you so much for that. That meant everything. Y'all complimented the photos. There wasn't nobody but Boo Bear. He took the photos and I did go in and edit them as well as the video. So that's why I say we go hand in hand. It's a package here. Like, I am just so thankful for him and thankful for y'all. I'm so thankful for you. So thank y'all for making that day so special for me. I could not respond to all of the comments because it was so many. This is Black Radiance Ebony press powder, and I'm just going over the areas that I applied my contour with. Y'all made me truly feel so special on my day. Okay, so I'm setting this with that. And we went out that night for my birthday. We went out that weekend actually. We spent the whole weekend together, me and Boo Bear, and then me and some of my friends. We went to PF Chang's. I hadn't even been to the PF Chang's here, so I was like, babe, why haven't we been here? Out of all this time we've been here, we have not been to PF Chang's in our area. So what we said is that we're going to make sure that we visit places that we haven't visited before and eat and just experience the experience in this area, because there's so much to do here that we haven't done yet. So that's our goal for the next year, is just to hit those spots up. Y'all, I'm going in with some blush. My CoverGirl True Blend So Blush High Pigmented Blush, and this is in the color Hot Frenzy. So I just do a little bit, y'all. It's like a nice peach color, but it comes off more so like, I don't know. It looks a little red to me when it comes off. Not too much. Not too much, okay? Not too much. Oh, I didn't even contour my nose. So after I contour my nose, I'm gonna go in with some blush on my nose too. I'm trying to remember I just cleaned all my brushes again, so I'm trying to keep them up so we not creating a mess at the vanity, because it can get quite messy. And I like to do my eyebrows last, y'all, because yeah, I like to do those last. But Pia Change was great. We had a good time. Me and him went out after that and just came home and relaxed together. It was a great day / weekend. I just feel truly blessed. All of my family and friends and you guys, my community, y'all mean so much to me, and just thank y'all for everything that y'all have done and what you continue to do. Next big thing is that if you keep up with me on the community page within YouTube, I'm just gonna put a little bit eyeliner here so I can go ahead and let that dry. I just recently applied for Sephora Squad. I applied for Sephora Squad. I am terrified, but you know what? I'm so glad that I put myself out there, because if you don't put yourself out there, you won't be found. So if you're sitting on content, release that content, because on the other side of fear is success. And if I let my fear hold me back, way back when I started YouTube, I would not be here today. I'm gonna start applying my eyelash and let it dry between coats, and then I'll do my brows. But yes, y'all, if I did not believe in myself then, I wouldn't be where I am now. Literally. Don't be scared, because there's been some things where I was like, I don't know, are they gonna like this? And it turns out those be like some of the best performing videos or some of the best performing content. You never know. You never know. And the downside of social media is that it can be discouraging, or don't let that it's a competitive world hold you back either, because you are unique. You are your own individual self, and nobody else can replicate you or take that away from you. So just be your true and authentic self, and that's what people love. I hope that you guys get that from my content, and that you feel like this is a place where you can have a good time, relax, just be in a great space. And I hope that, you know, my content is helpful, informative, inspiring. Y'all, I really hope it is. But y'all, my brows are like my biggest insecurity, and I'm just I'm trying to accept them. I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm just trying to embrace them, because I do have a full head of hair. I have, you know, I'm trying to count what I do have versus what I don't. Count your blessings, y'all. This is the Brow Blade by Urban Decay. This is a brow pencil, so it has the pencil and then the little felt tip on the other side. So this is what I've been using lately to get a more natural looking brow. It's called Dark Drapes, the color. So I'm just gonna pretty much go ahead and fill that in. But yes, a Sephora Squad. Oh, I'm taking a risk. I'm putting myself out there. I just turned 32. We're not holding back. Put yourself out there. Look at that. That's so natural. I love this pen. It's so good. I almost took it back because I'm like so used to darker colors, but I'm like, no, it's not natural when you do those darker colors, girl. We're going for natural, not Sharpie gel ink pen on your eyebrows. We're not going for that. And a lot of times I don't conceal my brows either to make it look even more natural. But sometimes, you know, when I want that shape to pop a little bit, I will go in with concealer, but I'm not today because this is a more relaxed day. I want to look natural, y'all. Put them little hair strokes, and I am gonna buff that out because that's a little bit too blocked for me. One eyebrow is not looking the same as the other, so I might actually have to conceal what is going on there. Oh, it's time for me to get up. I gotta get prepared for the meeting, guys. For hair, I'm just gonna wear her down. I've been trying not to slick my edges because when I do that, I take more edge out and then it's just too many edges out. So I'm trying to let her be a little bit longer before I start slicking them because I love how it looks like this. It looks more natural. Take my septum down. Okay, y'all, I feel like this is a cute natural look. Boo Bear's birthday is on the 31st, so excited to celebrate that with him. He hasn't told me what he wants to do yet, so he gotta let me know sooner than later. But this is my makeup look, y'all. Let me know what you think about the look. Is it natural? Is she giving? I didn't do too much because I don't want to do too much. I don't ever want to look like I do too much or have like a face full of makeup, and sometimes that's how it feels. Actually, a lot of the time when I do wear foundation, but this feels very light and airy and just comfy. Like, I just love it. I need to moisturize my hair, but I don't have time right now. That'll be a separate video on my updated moisture routine. But yes, that's a quick little, you know, life update. Chit chat, get ready with me. Just pretty much everything that's been going on. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the finished result. Please make sure, if you haven't already done so, that you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.